Hi everyone, I'm going to make a quick video on this because technology apparently hates me. And the link that I put on Sakai on week 5, so this is where I'm at. I'm on the week 5 page talking about the February 11 class, which is very late adulthood. I'm kind of combining them. So we have a online class and then an in-person class on next Monday to talk about this combined life stage. So the online assignment is to watch a video called The Secret Life of Growing Up. This is actually a series from the BBC, and I want you guys to watch the one called Golden Years. So that's obviously about aging. They have it for different life stages as well. So we have discovered when you click this button, it takes you here, and it's like virtually impossible to log on from here. So instead, what you're going to want to do is on your Sakai, go to Library Resources on the left, click that. It will take you to Kuiper's library search database thingy, very technical term. If you go to Popular Databases and E-Resources, you will be able to access Films on Demand. So click that. It will ask you, I already logged on today, this is why it went straight there. If you haven't logged on previously, it'll ask you to put your username and password for the library, so that's your Kuiper email and your Kuiper password. Oftentimes, people will not be able to get past that point because of their Google browser settings, and there's instructions linked to Sakai, which actually work, talking you through how to take off those blockers and filters. I had to do that earlier this week in order for myself to be able to access it. And I'm a professor. So once you clear all of those, if you need help, you can contact me or the librarian, but following those instructions will work good. So once you've gotten into Films on Demand, you are going to want to search Golden Years, Secret Life of Growing Up. And based on how fast your internet is, mine's being a little slow today, it will take you to the 50-minute video that you are going to want to watch and answer the reflection questions on. You are going to want to do Golden Years, Secret Life of Growing Up, because it'll take you to this one, not to the adolescence or early childhood one. And you want to watch the full video. If you click on it, you will see that there are multiple segments. And so sometimes just those multiple segments will come up in a search. So if you do just how I showed you, it should take you directly here and you can watch all 50 minutes of it. In regards to the reflection questions, I also discovered earlier today that the link that I put on here, which is reflection questions, also doesn't like me. So that's super fun. So I am going to try to figure out how to get them to you. It might just be end up me sharing them via email, but I'm going to try to post it because I like to have it in one place. So just look for the most updated thing on Sakai because I'm going to currently work on this after I send you the video. Thank you. Shoot me an email if this is not helpful or if you still have questions. Thanks. Bye.